Welcome back to Brittology. Today, close your eyes for a moment and imagine standing at the edge of the ocean as a clean, cinematic view of a modern luxury yacht slowly comes into focus. The water is calm, reflecting the sky like glass, and in the distance, this floating masterpiece glides effortlessly, almost silently, as if it were designed not just to travel the sea, but to dominate it with elegance. This modern luxury yacht is not just a vessel. It is a statement of power, taste, and precision engineering. From the very first glance, its exterior design tells a story of innovation. The sharp, aerodynamic lines are crafted to reduce resistance, while enhancing speed and stability. Every curve has a purpose, every angle is calculated. The hull, often made from advanced composite materials and high-grade steel, is designed to cut through waves smoothly, ensuring both performance and comfort even in open waters. As the yacht draws closer, the cinematic beauty becomes even more striking. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels stretch across multiple decks, allowing natural light to flood the interior spaces while offering uninterrupted views of the ocean. These glass walls blur the line between indoors and outdoors, making passengers feel connected to the sea at all times. During the day, sunlight dances across polished surfaces, and at night, soft ambient lighting transforms the yacht into a glowing icon on the water. Stepping onto the main deck feels like entering a five-star floating resort. The deck is expansive, finished with premium teak wood that is not only beautiful but also durable and slip-resistant. Comfortable lounge areas are strategically placed, featuring plush seating, designer furniture, and shaded sections for relaxation. This is a space designed for both quiet moments and unforgettable gatherings, whether it's a private sunset dinner or a celebration under the stars. Moving inside, the interior design reflects the pinnacle of modern luxury. The decor blends minimalism with warmth, using neutral tones, natural textures, and high-end materials like marble, leather, and brushed metals. Every detail, from the custom lighting fixtures to the handcrafted finishes, speaks of exclusivity. The open-plan layout creates a sense of space and flow, making the yacht feel far larger than its actual dimensions. The main salon is the heart of the yacht, designed for comfort and entertainment. Large sofas, smart entertainment systems, and panoramic windows create the perfect environment for relaxation. Advanced sound systems are seamlessly integrated, allowing music to fill the space without visible speakers, maintaining the clean and uncluttered aesthetic. This is where technology meets design in the most elegant way. One of the most impressive features of a modern luxury yacht is the master suite. Located in a prime position for maximum privacy and stability, it feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a cabin. The bed is positioned to face large windows, offering breathtaking ocean views from the moment you wake up. A private lounge area, walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom with rainfall showers and premium fixtures complete the experience. It's a personal sanctuary floating on the sea. Guest cabins are equally impressive, each designed with comfort and privacy in mind. Soft lighting, spacious layouts, and en-suite bathrooms ensure that every guest experiences the same level of luxury. No detail is overlooked. From the quality of the linens to the acoustic insulation that ensures complete peace and quiet, even while cruising at speed. As we move up to the upper deck, the cinematic appeal reaches another level. This area is often dedicated to leisure and entertainment. A jacuzzi sits at the center, surrounded by sun loungers and panoramic views of the horizon. Whether anchored in a secluded bay or cruising along a famous coastline, this deck offers the ultimate vantage point to enjoy the journey. At night, subtle LED lighting creates a futuristic yet calming atmosphere, perfect for late-night conversations and stargazing. The bridge, where the yacht is controlled, showcases cutting-edge marine technology. Advanced navigation systems, digital displays, and automated controls allow for precise handling and safety. Despite the complexity of the systems, the design remains clean and intuitive, reflecting the modern philosophy of simplicity paired with power. This is where human skill and advanced engineering come together to command the sea. Below deck, the yacht hides another world of innovation. Powerful engines and stabilizers ensure a smooth ride, minimizing movement even in rough conditions. Modern yachts are also designed with sustainability in mind, incorporating fuel-efficient engines, waste management systems, and sometimes even hybrid or electric propulsion. Luxury today is not just about comfort. but also about responsibility toward the environment. The experience of being on a modern luxury yacht is not only visual but emotional. There is a sense of freedom that comes with open water, a feeling of escaping the limits of land. The clean cinematic view, the gentle sound of waves, and the endless horizon create moments that feel timeless. This is why luxury yachts are often associated with the world's elite, not just as symbols of wealth, but as gateways to unique experiences. From private islands to iconic coastlines, a yacht like this offers access to places that few can reach. It allows its owners and guests to travel in complete privacy, surrounded by comfort, beauty, and personalized service. Every journey becomes a story, every destination a memory framed by the elegance of the yacht itself. In the end, a modern luxury yacht represents the ultimate blend of design, technology, and lifestyle. It is a moving piece of art, engineered to perfection and crafted for those who seek the extraordinary. As it sails into the distance, leaving only ripples behind, it reminds us that true luxury is not just about owning something rare, but about experiencing the world in the most beautiful way possible. This is the clean, cinematic view of modern luxury on the open sea, and this is the kind of dream that continues to inspire and redefine what it means to live without limits.